Hello and welcome everyone. This is just a quick video. As many of you have been following my channel, have seen that I've recently purchased an Umidigi F2 telephone, and that telephone comes built in with 120 gigs of storage, and I'm expanding that so that I'm going to be using this telephone to record next wave of my contents. So I went ahead and purchased a microSD card. And I thought microSD cards, especially those of you who are buying things off of Amazon, there's a big problem buying things off of Amazon, especially microSD cards. There's a lot of fake SD cards that people unfortunately are selling off of Amazon. So I purchased this particular card from Best Buy, which is a consumer electronics store here in the US. This card is 128. My cell phone can support up to 256 gigs of memory, but I felt I don't have the need for it, so I just went ahead and bought 128 gigs. The 256 one is also around $60, which is twice the price of what I paid for this, including tax in New York. I paid about $30 and maybe 2 cents for this particular product. There's nothing spectacular around it. The package is fairly simple, almost clamshellish. You have a micro SD and an SD adapter. For those of you who have computers or cameras that can take SD adapters, you can use that too. I'm going to turn it over to my site so I can read some quick specs for you. Samsung claims that this card can read at 100 megabits and write at 90 megabits per second. I doubt that's going to be fact for me. Again, these are ideal conditions, but I'm pretty sure that the write and read speeds will be upwards of 80 megabits per second, which is still pretty fast. I don't also expect this card to have 128 gigs available to me, but I'm thinking it's probably going to be around 127, 126 or so, which is still pretty good. This is a Class 10 U3, which is fairly fast. So the speeds that I gave you are pretty fast speeds. The SD card, again, according to Samsung, can record 4K videos. I don't think it has anything to do with the SD card, but rather with the hardware that you're going to be using it for. Again, back has a sticker that Best Buy fixed on it, so I really don't think there's a value there. Quickly opening it, again, as I mentioned, nothing special. Taking my blade. Let me see if it's a clamshell. Maybe it is, maybe not. It's maybe buried inside of the card. Here we go. Describe it, and yeah, I need to do a better job at unboxing these things for you. I'm always butchering these things, but we'll get better. Oh boy, here we go. All right, guys, the SD card is out. This is what I need. It's just a regular SD card. I'm going to plug that in, and as part 2 of my Umidigi video, I will probably be doing a demonstration with the SD card inside of it. Again, if you have any questions around what my considerations were when I selected the SD card, please leave them in the comment section and I will respond to those. As always, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.